black and white. You gather many seeds and hide them out of sight. Excellent. Now another one of my favorite ones is the waxwing. Waxwing, waxwing, your mask is really neat. Are you ready? Waxwing, waxwing, your mask is really neat. We see you in the tree eating berries, oh so sweet. We see you in the tree eating berries, oh so sweet. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? Yeah. Waxwing, waxwing, your mask is really neat. We see you in the tree eating berries, oh so sweet. Great. Now let's find out what you know. See what you remember. Raise your hand if you can tell me a bird that was colorful that we learned about today. Red-winged blackbird. Woohoo! Yes, absolutely. How about another colorful bird? Right there. A pheasant. Yes, very good. How about a bird that's almost completely black? It's okay. Crow. We had two answers. Very good. How about a bird that's partly white? Chickadee. You got it. How about a bird that's really big? Okay, so the female bald eagle and hawks too. Birds that live in Alaska and birds that live right here. How about a bird that's really small, really teeny? Calliope hummingbird, absolutely. You have remembered lots. How about a bird that likes to live near the water? Kingfisher. Kingfisher, excellent. You've learned lots. Now, I'm wondering if anybody remembers a bird that has a mask. That wears a mask. Nobody remembers that? Oh, come on up. Will you be my helper? Oh, can we put a mask on you so you look like a waxwing? Oh, really? Here, turn around. All right. Okay, let's see. Ooh, all the way down here. Turn around, let me see. Oh, I better fix it. Hi. And here's our little waxwing. Give our helper a clap. Good job. I'm going to take this off. Okay. Whoops. Did I get it? I don't want to take your nose with it. All right. Good job.
I remember it.
So we've shared my book, but now it's time to talk to the kids about what they're going to get to do. And this